Hello everyone, we are student of HVS International School. Today we are debating on topic city life versus village life. So she is in favor of village life and I am in favor of city life. Let me start now. Sakshi, according to me, city life is better than village life. Just because of pollution, we can't say that cities are bad, because there are now many of the techniques by which we can control on pollution, and there are many facilities in cities more than the villages.
No, Yashika ji, I disagree with you. You know that in the villages nowadays, villages are also going to be developed, and in the villages there is so many facilities are also available, like as school or health care, hospitals. There is so many things are available. If we are talking about the pollution, that cities are not polluted by the pollution. You know that in the villages there is no any type of pollution. If there is no any type of pollution in the cities, there is so many type of pollution. You know, noise pollution is much and more than the villages, and noise pollution and water pollution also.
But Sakshi, as you just said that in cities there are more pollution, but can you tell me, nowadays cities people are aware of pollution, so they are using non pollution vehicle.
No.
But in villages, the people are now the people want to show off, so they buy the vehicles, but they don't know that what type of vehicle they should buy, and from which you cook the food, called the in local language chula. By that there are many of the air pollution created because of by the smoke of that, and there is no schemes of get rid of the pollution. But in cities there are many schemes and techniques and the factories to reduce the pollution.
No, Yashika
And
ji.
as you said that villages are developing, but not more than the cities, as cities had developed before and well developing.
You know that the more developed villages become city. Cities not already well developed. It's cities become by the villages.
No, villages developing villages become towns, not cities, because by the big cities the government cut the small villages which are not the developed.
No, you know that in the cities, people used to go with vehicles. Their vehicles, they used to go in any shop, and you know that vehicles release air pollution. You also know, and in the villages, people used to go by self foot. They used to go.
No,
And
nowadays
they
no one want to go on foot, even in cities or in villages.
Yes.
But the cities, as I said before, that cities people are aware of the pollution, so they use non
Okay, I'm agree
pollution.
with you that cities people are aware about the pollution, but not more than in the villages. People always think about short points. In the small points, they think about that it will be harmful for us or not.
Sakshi, as you said that I will give you answer about that after. But please let me answer you that, as you said that water pollution in cities more than the village.
Yes,
But
yes.
can you tell me, now the government of the cities, Delhi government, are aware of the pollution, and they know that pollution is going to be very harmful for our cities and as well as our environment. So they are using to improve it. But in village, as you know that in the canal the people used to wash the clothes, and they used to make bath of their animals.
Yes.
In the village, in the canal. But in cities nowadays no one used to make bath their animals in canal, and no one used to wash their clothes. Just they use techniques. So I think that cities are more important than the village. Villages are also important, but not more than the cities.
No, it's not matter of important. You know that in which city we are living, our home is important. Is there city or village? I can't say that both are important or not. For living everywhere, everything is important for us. You know that if you're talking about the pollution in the Delhi pollution, Delhi Yamuna, you know already that even lakh people take bath in the Yamuna, and now it's become so dirty. And I have seen many times that there is people used to throw the polythings or and bags also.
But they are the people that who have not knowledge about the pollution.
You know that
They are the people, but
knowledgeable person do they are doing these things.
No, Sakshi, who is a social level person. You know, social level means who has no, who know about everything like pollution and harmful impact to our earth.
No.
So who
It's not
it
just
will
a
not do.
matter of educated or uneducated. You know that my mother is uneducated and she know very well about the pollution or everything she know. Even
I am not saying
people
educated
don't
or
know.
uneducated. I am saying just knowledgeable person. You know, there are many of the person who has a MBA or BCom degree, but
Yes.
they have not knowledge, and the meaning of the uneducated and knowledge is different. You know, Sakshi.
Yes, I know.
So according to us, village life and city life is both are important for our country development. So we should come together to form a better country. Thanks.